Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I want to create rainbow Dutch pour in minimalist design using lots of iridescent colors to make my rainbow shine. And for the base I use titanium white as usual. So I want to create an abstract rainbow flower with 5 petals. And for the first petal I start with iridescent orange yellow by pyrrole, now Vermilion. The second petal starts with iridescent red blue by pyrrole. The third petal starts with iridescent violet blue, iridescent green yellow, and iridescent blue green. And now let's add more colors to each petal. This is azu yellow light, pyrrole red, carmine. As you see, I add just a little bit of each color. This is a violet mix close to ultramarine violet. Oops, an extra drop. Blue violet. Oh my god, I think I use this color in every painting. And this is turquoise blue, greenish blue, brilliant green, and phthalo green. I want to add a few drops of pearl white to each petal. And few drops of deep gold. I don't want my petals to mix up together, so I separate them with base color. And of course I need to add more base color near them to make them flowing better. Let's start the paint, and I'm so excited to blow it out. Last petal is nearly mixed with others, but I managed with it. Now I want to work with the details, make my petals more delicate and separated. It's quite challenging for me to work with such a small details. I like the shape of each petal and just want to move all the composition a little bit to the bottom and to the left side. I touch every petal in the center to have maybe even more small cells. My minimalist rainbow is ready. Let's see the dry result. Here it is, dry and not covered yet, but just look at this shine. Every petal with different colors. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy with the result. And what do you think? Do you like the design? Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.